Hey guys, today we will be taking a look at how you can use Smartsheet for all of your project management needs. Let's get into it. It is easy to start your trial. You can go to Smartsheet and click on Try Smartsheet for free. After that, you can enter your email address. You will receive an activation email in your Gmail inbox. Open it and click on the provided link to activate your account. Next, set a secure password. Once your password is set, you will be prompted to answer a few questions about yourself and select a category that best suits your needs. After completing this step, choose your preferred view, such as Grid View, to begin using Smartsheet. You can also skip this step if you prefer. Once you log in, this will be your home page. This is the main home section of Smartsheet. On the left, you have a navigation panel. In this panel, you have your home page. Right now, my Smartsheet is empty, so there is nothing on the home page. Usually, you will see a summary of everything in your Smartsheet workspace. Below that, you have notifications, where you will see updates. Next, there is the Browse section, where you can upload different worksheets and create them on the platform. You also have recently opened files, favorites, and the Work Apps section. In Work Apps, you can link different applications that you use along with Smartsheet. Below that, there is the Solution Center. Depending on what you need, you can find templates for different tasks. If you need project management tools, you can get started with a template. There are many templates available, including template sets and add-ons. For example, if I need a general management template, I can find options like schedule management, project tracking, project intake. Let's say I want to use the Agile project with effort, burn, click on it, then select Create from Template. And this will open the Smartsheet application. Now I have a worksheet created based on this template. This template is directly imported from the Template Center. You can remove or edit data as needed. Project management in Smartsheet is simple and easy to use. The template has different sections. The first section is Alpha Project followed by Envision. These sections list project tasks. In many project management tools, these would appear as cards or tasks. For example, we have a task called Identify Key Shareholders. Other fields include task name, duration, start date, and specific fields that accept only numbers, such as dates and monetary values. There is also a status column where you can track progress. A Gantt chart calendar helps monitor how long a project will take. For example, Envision is scheduled to finish on a certain date, followed by the next section. This helps track timelines and deadlines. Smartsheet also includes collaboration features. On the right side, you have Conversations, where team members can discuss tasks. There is an Attachment section where you can upload documents. The Proofs section allows team members to verify or approve files, which is useful for sales or document reviews. Brand folders help large companies manage their assets. Other features include publishing options, activity logs, and summaries. When starting a new project in Smartsheet, you can either use a pre-made template or begin with a blank sheet. If templates seem overwhelming, a blank sheet provides complete flexibility to customize your project as needed. If you have previously opened a template but want to start fresh, simply click on Don't Save to exit. This will return you to the home page, where you can initiate a new project from scratch. From the home page, click on Create and select Project from the options. Enter a suitable project name. In this case, we'll name it Sales Project and click OK. Once created, open the newly generated sheet to begin customizing it according to project needs. Upon opening the project sheet, you will find default columns such as task name, duration, start date, finish date, and predecessors. If certain columns are unnecessary, they can be removed. For example, if your project does not require task dependencies, you can delete the predecessors column by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete Column. Smartsheet allows you to enable or disable dependencies to manage workflow more effectively. You can enable dependencies to link tasks based on their relationships, disable dependencies if tasks are independent of each other, and adjust working days to reflect business hours, ensuring accurate scheduling. You also have predecessors, percentage completed, and duration. Remove dependencies if not needed and delete the column. To enhance the project sheet's functionality, you can add new columns. By default, you may have columns such as assigned to, percentage completed, and status. You can add a column to capture additional details. To do this, click on Insert Column Left, then choose the column type you want. For example, we will choose Text or Number. Click on it and give it a name, for example, Client Name, then click OK. You can also change the column's position by simply dragging and dropping it wherever you want. Drag and drop this column to the beginning for easy access. Now let's add tasks to the project. For example, a task named Launch Instagram for Marketing can be created with a duration of 1 day. You can also enter the start date by opening the calendar and selecting your desired date. Similarly, you can choose the finish date the same way. If there are multiple team members in the workspace, tasks can be assigned to specific individuals. Assigned team members will receive notifications and can track their responsibilities through Smartsheet's interface, including the calendar view. Smartsheet provides scheduling capabilities, making it ideal for teams operating in shifts. A service center can schedule employees for different time slots, such as 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Managers can oversee employee schedules, ensuring proper staffing across shifts. Automated alerts and reminders help workers stay on track with their assigned hours. Smartsheet enables tracking of project progress through various statuses. Tasks can be labeled as Not Started, In Progress, or Completed. You can filter and highlight important data to monitor priority tasks, and custom views allow quick insights into project health and outstanding work. At the top of the sheet, additional functionalities help streamline project management. Conditional formatting can be used to emphasize urgent tasks. Adding dependencies ensures that one task is completed before another begins. A currency column can be added to track budgets and revenue, helping in estimating project costs and calculating expected revenue. By leveraging Smartsheet's robust features, project managers can efficiently coordinate tasks, monitor team performance, and ensure successful project execution. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, sales projects, or service schedules, Smartsheet provides the necessary tools for effective planning and collaboration. With features like automated workflows, real-time collaboration, and customizable dashboards, Smartsheet helps teams stay organized and efficient. It allows you to track progress, allocate resources, and ensure that every task is completed on time. You can streamline workflows, enhance communication, and improve overall productivity. No matter the size or complexity of your project, Smartsheet makes it easier to stay on top of every detail. This is how you can use Smartsheet for project management. Thanks for watching.